Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm doing kind of Halloween flower. So that's why I will use some oranges and some purple for a mystic touch to it, because you know Halloween is has a little witchy mystic feel to it, and of course some gold and my pearl white, and I'm using Mod Podge pearl again because I really like it the last time. This one mixed with titanium white and my pouring medium, and I will use this pearl white mixture with the glue on my Sunday live. So if you want to check, please come to my Sunday live at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, I will start with pearl white and some gold. And I will add some pearl white again. And this is cadmium yellow deep hue mixed with PBO iridescent orange yellow. So for a little shimmer in orange too. And this is just cadmium orange. Maybe these two are too similar, I don't know. We will see. And I will add some pearl white again. And some black. Some pearl white again. And this is vermilion hue, so it's really dark orange or light red, I don't know how to describe, and permanent red violet. Okay, and pearl white again. And gold again. And pearl white again. And these two oranges. The iridescent one and cadmium orange. And pearl white again. And black. And vermilion. Oops, I forgot pearl white, it's okay. Doesn't matter. And permanent red violet. Okay. and I will switch my cup. But in the meantime, when my paint is blowing off, I will do my petals. So I will drag this purple towards the ends. I don't know why I have so many air bubbles today. Okay, and let's switch this. Oh my god. Okay. Pearl white again. Just a little bit. And gold. And I will do a little different order this time. Pearl white again. And oranges. Pearl white again. And I will do this red and violet, and I will end up with black because I want kind of dark center. Vermilion, permanent red, violet, oop, and a little of pearl white and black. Okay, and black, and this will be it. I really don't do much, a lot of flowers with just oranges, so I'm really curious how this will work. Let's drag this black a little bit towards the sides. And I will leave the middle like it is. So I will just grab my napkin and spray it a little bit with the water. Sorry. And then we will see if this will look Halloweenish at all. I don't know. Okay, I will just put this colors, paints to the side. Just touch this a little bit. And let's see. It's always interesting because you never know what will happen when you will lift your napkin. I have, of course, a picture in my head, but a lot of the times it's not what I had in my head, so let's do it. Okay, I think that it looks quite Halloweenish. Maybe this black wasn't the best idea, you see, because I like this here more where I add black at the end, but I thought that it will need a little more black because of this all this Halloweenish thing. So and I didn't get as nice lacing as it the first time, but I still think that it turned out quite nice. So tell me what you think about it. Does it look Halloweenish or not? We didn't celebrate Halloween. We don't celebrate Halloween like you in States. We have Mardi Gras in February or March. But we put some pumpkins out and celebrate it kind of in our own way with how can I say that, because fall is here and all these goodies from our fields will be stored, or how can I say, and we celebrate kind of the end of the fall or something, I don't know, kind of. So not quite as Halloween, not quite Halloween as you in States do, but still think that this should kind of represent Halloween. But as I said, I should put black there. If you understand what next to this permanent red violet, not here in between, just like I did, but still it's not so bad. So I like it. I'm happy with it. Just don't know if it's Halloweenish. So this is it for today. Please join me on Sunday if you want to see me do a reverse flower dip with this Mod Podge pearl thing and glue. We will see if it will work, and maybe we can do with the Floetrol next time, and just we will talk about it on Sunday. So this is it for today, for a Halloweenish flower. Bye, see you on the next one.